10 basketball legends were immortalized last night after being named to the prestigious list of the PBA 50 greatest players of all time. They are Nelson Asaitono, Jeffrey Carriazo, Junmar Fajardo, Bong Hawkins, Abby King, Danny Siegel, Scottie Thompson, Arnito Wadles, Manny Victorino, and Yoyoy Villamin. According to PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall, the selection process for the 50 greatest players was thorough and meticulous, carried out by a committee composed of retired players, coaches, and veteran journalists.
Pagpili pa lang ng selection committee, medyo nahirapan na kami. Yung pagpili nila ng 10, mas nahirapan sila. So ganun ka-crucial, ganun ka-higpit or ganun ng mga thoughts nila kasi iba't iba, pero yun nga, ang maganda sa kanila, halos pare-pareho yung listahan nung 10 nag-selection committee.
Benji Paras also expressed his agreement with the idea that any player who wins the MVP award should be automatically included in the list of the PBA's greatest players. This argument is shared by many, which is why players like Fajardo and Thompson, who despite still being active in the league, have earned their spots on the prestigious list.
Parang ano yun eh, magaling yung team, pero hindi nag-champion. Nag-champion, kaya masayang magaling. So yung player magaling, nag-MVP, so mas magaling. So sa akin, oo.
PBA legend Alan Kaidik, a member of the selection committee, reminded fans that every PBA supporter has their own perspective and favorites. However, the Triggerman believes that the selection process was fair and urged everyone to respect the committee's decision.
So, siyempre, we cannot please everybody. You have your own choice, you have your own choice. Hindi natin maano yan. We cannot please everyone. So ito, kami ang napili dito for this task, and then nagkaroon ng final decision kung sino man yung na hindi nakasama. Sa amin na lang yon na kung medyo mabigat sa loob ko na hindi nakasama to. Kasi sabi ko nga, I based my selection or the list I have as a fan, not just as a player.
Kate Austria from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.